Okay, so I wanted to come to you guys with a quick video. Also, I just went to the dentist, so my mouth is a little off. That is why. Actually, time for me to take my hair out of these braids. I've had these braids for, I want to say only 3 weeks, but they're already rubbing out of my hair. So I thought maybe, I can wear a little style for like 3 days to see how I like short hair. This is how long they are, waist length. So I wanted to see what they would look like short. Why not? They're getting cut anyway. I didn't know how bad they looked in the sun. They look really bad in the sun. I don't even know if I could wear these out. So let's finish this side, let's style it, and let's see if it's wearable. Let's try to like slick these hairs down and baby hairs, and let's see what we got. I like that these are like long, a little longer. I don't know. I like the unevenness of them. Look weird because my last vlogs I don't have braids, and now this video I have, not only do I have braids, but it's time for me to take my braids out. So yeah, that could be a little confusing, but I'm just running behind on getting my vlogs out. So I don't have a video of me actually getting them in, but my next video I am gonna try to do my own twist, so we will see how that goes. So thank you all for your kind words and unkind words. They're both, I guess that means someone's watching. I don't know. I'll see you guys on my next video.